honest, in this series of videos, I will try to give you my best tool, okay, which is the chart, the free stock chart. This is the address, http www.freestockcharts.com/platform/v1. Okay, you can use only this one, okay, this one only here, and you can get to this one also, okay, because this is the free chart I am using. It's free and it has broker also if you are interested, but I don't use its broker or it's a very robust chart, and it is free. There is another paid version, okay, but I don't recommend to do the paid version except when you are going to do the platform. It means to do the broker itself, okay. So this is for this chart. It works only on Internet Explorer. Now I don't know why before it was working with all the browsers, but right now Internet Explorer only, and it will ask you to download a plugin, and then this chart will be working. Okay, let's go to the chart and see how it looks like. Okay, as you can see here, this is the chart. Now the most important thing is it has three parts here, one here on the top, second and third. Now the first one is you try where you want to go in the whole thing. For example, it gives you everything you need as stocks and markets and mutual funds, ETFs. It gives you a lot of information, and then when you begin, it gives you what we call morning industry groups. This is what we are using. It means the market is divided into sectors. Let's say, for example, we take an example of a sector, aerospace and defense sector. It has two industries, and in each industry you have the index of the industry and you have the stocks that belongs to, because each industry has groups. Okay, now you can see all the sectors you see them here, all with the industries. That's why you, for example, if you know in a sector, let's say you work for a utilities company, water company, for example, electric or gas or water utilities. Okay, if your company is public, you can just check it here, or you check all the competitors of your company. Okay, now let's go, and then after that we begin with the ETF. We have hundreds of ETFs, exchange traded funds. What they are ETF? It is just a stock that tracks an index. It could be an industry, it could be a sector, it could be the whole market, it could be Dow Jones, it could be whatever. So you can go and check them. Now we have also, as you can see, a lot of mutual, and then you can see even mutual funds also, but you can see ETFs are the most because they are a lot. Okay, a lot. Now, if you want, for example, to go to Canadian market, here we have a Canadian market. Now, let's say if you want to see mutual funds like closed-end funds here, mutual funds, and let's say you want to go to mutual funds, you click that. If you click on mutual funds, okay. Oh, it says that I haven't added an exchange because for me I don't see mutual funds, so that I am not going to see that. So let's say you, as an example, you want to know. Let's see here. Let's go. Okay, for example, you want to do the market summary. It means you just see USA biggest indexes. What you should do, you click that. Let's say Dow Jones. This is the Dow Jones. DJ30, Dow Jones Industrial. As you might know, there are 30 stocks, okay, in this Dow Jones. Now this is the index only. You can find the S&P 500. This is the S&P 500. You can see also, you can just put it down. You can see whatever index you can add, and you can see, because it's a lot. Now we have finished with those, just in general. Now what is the second part in the middle here you find? Because you can move this part and you can, for example, hide the other part. Okay, like this. You just click on this line here, and it can go down and up. Now what is the second one? Second one is where you put your stocks, like portfolio. Let's say you want to do a portfolio. Here you see new, as you can see here with orange, new here. If you click new, it says to you what is the name of the portfolio. Let's say the portfolio, you write my list of stocks. Just an example, okay? Click that. And then when you click that, it tells you which stock you want to put. Okay, let's say I put FB, Facebook. Okay, let's say I put Twitter. Okay, let's say I put Apple. Okay, let's say I put, I think, Google. Okay, and you click that here, the red X to exit. So what do you have here? You have 4 stocks. It says to you which day you put these stocks, which is 24 of November 2017. Profit or loss, the shares, it's like 100 shares. You can change that, okay? You change that when you want to begin the stock, when you want to add it, okay? And this is the price that you enter. After a few minutes, this will be changing, because the stock will, because we are still on the day. We are on Friday right now, and it is 3:30. Few minutes you will see that this thing will change because of the thing. Now here, what do you see here? Here are the news for the people who are looking at the news, looking what the company news, and whatever news, this chart gives you news for any stock. Okay, and for those who look always for the news, you can find news here. Although for me, as you know me before, or those who are new who don't know me, I don't use the news in my training or in my strategy, except the earning date. The earning date news is just to see if I want to stay or not, but I don't really trade them. Whenever there is like a news, I will stay. For earning dates, I don't care about it's going up, I'm staying. So this is my risk tolerance, so I like risk, so there's no problem with that. So right now you have understood in this video, okay, that we have 3 parts on the left. The first one is if you want to go very quick, you go to any ETF or to any mutual funds or to any like the Nasdaq, or even if you want to go to Nasdaq pink sheets. It says here you didn't add them, so you should just click and add. What does it mean? It means, for me, what I added in the list here to show is USA stocks and indexes, Canadian stocks and indexes, forex. You can take forex. I don't need it. Mutual fund, I don't need it. Pink sheets, I don't need it. Bulletin boards, I need it. Okay, so it's just penny stocks here, bulletin boards, and pink sheets is penny stocks that are the OTC out of the exchanges. But I don't need them. That's why I don't put them. Okay, I don't put them. Now, as I told you, the second one is you put your portfolio. You can make a lot of portfolio. You can put, for example, ETFs in one portfolio. You can put another portfolio for investing, for example, stocks that you want to invest for the long run, and you put stocks that you are going to day trade, and the stocks that you are following, like for short-term trading, which is swing trading. Okay, so and the last part is the news. Okay, you click here the news, and it gives you all around good year for Square. Square is a new is as you might know, it is a company that we do transactions with, and it is used by anyone can use this Square. It's just a Square thing you put into your cell phone, and then you can accept payment. Okay, it gets an IPO, and we can see how it looks like here, which is called SQ Square, and you see that the stock is going so good. This Square was only 17, now it's 48. It's a new IPO. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Now please watch the next video, as I can explain more and more about this chart. Thank you.